Monil is studying inside the mosque. Assalamu alaikum, Mike Medics here. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone with a new vlog about the Ramadan. And today the vlog will be regarding the Friday, and the part will be regarding the medical school, like how medical school, like how I go to the medical school, and then I also fast for the whole day. And today in this vlog it will be regarding first video will be regarding the medical school, because we have to go to the orthopedic department today. We have a class over there, and then after that, in the next part, we will go to the mosque, uh, which is located in the central uh, part of the city, and we'll have the iftar over there. And after that, इफ्तार के बाद हम डॉम में वापस जाएंगे और मैं खाना बनाऊंगा, और फिर उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट आई विल गो टू द लाइब्रेरी and have some time over there. Let's go.
Orthopedic lecture. I'm listening to teacher, and at the same time I am looking to my prep ladder notes. He explained in Chinese, and then I wrote important points on notes. We have a break now, and I need to revise BBB cardiology. We have another class here, and my friends are revising from notes, and two of them are discussing.
Are studying over here. Dr. Emmanuel is studying orthopedics, and Dr. Raja. You are happy now? You are happy? Oh, finally coming out from hospital, and now it's time to go back to the door. And it's our weekend now. Everyone is happy. You see the smile on. You happy?
Very happy.
Raja, you happy? Really?
Really happy.
Deep, are you happy because we have the weekend now? Yeah, you must be. But I'm, huh?
I just remember.
You just remember? Yes?
You see this doctor?
The doctor. Oh, you just forget, bro. I will go back to the medical college. My bike isn't. I parked that in the medical school.
I met a cute kid, and I was talking to him in Chinese. He said me his name is Fei. We are going towards mosque to have iftar. Let me introduce you my friends. Today I again went to Abdul Khalik shop to buy bread because we will take this to mosque and eat during iftar.
Mic is not working. Guys, assalamu alaikum. Again back on the vlog. Right now I went to Abdul Khalik again and to meet him. MashaAllah. I have the nice feeling because guys, I reach near the mosque, and let's go inside.
Let's go. Bismillah.
Bismillah, let's go. 我们想在这里边可以吗？
洗完了上那楼上。
那我们要吃点东西能吗？在里面？
在这一会儿在这儿开开就行，一会儿。
谢谢。Assalamu alaikum. I asked him like what's the time, and he say it's like 44. Yeah, it's 5:41, and you can see here his brother. Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak over here. The brother is over here. Came inside the Russian shop to see some things, because that Muslim brother, he say no, you don't need to buy anything. We all have food over here. After this you can eat with us iftari. So but we also fish some kind, like no, I told my guys, like my friends, let's buy some stuff from here, from the store, and we will also contribute, and then we'll all eat together. And it will be nice, like if you also buy some stuff from here and we eat together. And this all stock over here is Russian stock. This all. 饮料。 And we asked this aunt like, do you have something to drink like juice and all that? And she said yes, it's in the front.
Oh
Yes,
yeah,
this biscuit.
yeah, there.
Yeah, I know it.
Rajni, you see one.
Yeah, next time I'll know why. Milk is also over here. A lot of Russian chocolates over here. Collection of Russian chocolates. Mako is here. This is a collection of Russian juices over here. कितने का box? Ramadan, mashallah, the month of Quran. Ramadan, 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 Ramadan. 2-3 minutes are left, and let's go inside the mosque and start doing iftari over there. Let's go inside and do iftari with them. Okay, we have to go in upstairs, and then we leave from there. Here, upstairs fast. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Ni hao. Okay, guys, we go inside for iftar. For iftar over here, and they already put the stuff over here. And we have the juice, all and everything they prepare. And sisters, everything are over here. You can see. Sit down. Juice देते हैं ना? Juice. उनको उस पर रखते हैं, हम भी जूस बांटते हैं। हाँ हाँ, उनकी टेबल पे रखते हैं, बड़ा वाला। ग्लास ग्लास ग्लास
वहाँ पे रख दे सही बहुत सही।
ये दूसरा भी रखते हैं, शायद औरतें जा रहे हैं ना, है ना? दूसरा भी रख देते हैं, ये
वहाँ पे रख,
कौन सा?
जो भी रखना है।
हाँ, इधर रखते हैं। और क्या? वो pause कर क्या? Wallahi, alhamdulillah, they have the dates over here. This is the nice thing which I like. And inside here, it's a nice, great feeling. Like I'm with the Muslim brothers over here. This is a nice family. Like, wallahi, like I see them, I remember my family members over here. Wallahi, they're so nice here. Like I remember, I see a woman over here. I remember my mother. That's nice, wallahi. Here and it's time. Okay, guys, Imam Saab is here.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم
Guys, wallahi, it's nice eating with the Muslim brother. ये बहुत लोगों को juice बांटो, juice बाकी को. They are waiting. कप इसमें डालो, इसमें. साकिब भाई juice डाल दो, कप में इनको दे दो. इसमें पाउच रख दो, इस पे कोई खा लेंगे सब लोग. पाउच मैं डालता हूँ.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाह
inside the mosque. Wallahi, you see, nice feeling, and we are going inside the mosque and to pray with them, and it will be very nice. Mosque. Already finished in the Salah. Now going towards back because they invite us to eat food. Guys, like you can see the Muslim brothers over here, they all eating nicely. They invite all of us. Ramadan Mubarak. And we have the mothers over here. You see, wallahi, it's a great feeling with them. To eat with them, it's a best feeling. And now I thank Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
I was sitting next to Imam, and they were so happy. They said we all collectively come here every day during Ramadan, cook here, eat, and after Tarawih we go back to home. I dipped white mantou inside small rice dough, and the food was so tasty. I will give 10 to this food. All praise to Allah. So happy to see them from on their faith, fasting, and at the time so kind. May Allah bless them and accept their prayers. Ameen. They said tomorrow we are again waiting for you and the person in last with who I shake hands. Imam.
Repeat again. This was
Classes?
which classes?
No, it's like there is one class for us. If you attend there, they will add points.
Which class?
I don't know.
We eat with tea, and here is Ruh Afza. See my sister enjoying the Ruh Afza. Alone, didn't give me this.
Repeat again. This was
Classes?
which classes?
No, it's like there is one class for us. If you attend there, they will add points.
Which class?
I don't know.
We
what
have
exactly
the bread.
class is.
The bread we brought from Abdul Khalik, and now we will drink it with tea. And here is Ruh Afza. See my sister enjoying the Ruh Afza. Alone, didn't give me this. This is Ruh Afza. Ruh ki Afza. Ruh ki Afza. Afza ki Ruh.
Roof.
Subscribe.
抖音。